In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, select Keyboard and Theme. Now apply the best one for you by clicking on it and go back. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always go into App Gallery and install Microsoft SwiftWay Keyboard. When it's ready, open it. Then select it from the pop-up and click on Themes under Languages. Now you can select Customize on the right and tap on Start. Then click on this camera with a plus and pick any photo you want. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Adjust background darkness by swiping left or right and hit Done at the top right corner. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!